In this video, I'll show you how to find the password for an MSN account using your browser saved passwords feature. This is a quick and simple method if you've already signed in before and just need to view the password you stored earlier. Before we begin, please note that this only works if the password was previously saved in your browser or Google Password Manager. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the browser where you usually signed in to your MSN or Microsoft account. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the browser menu. From the menu, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for Autofill and Passwords, then click that option. This is where your browser stores saved login information, payment details, and other autofill data. Next, click Google Password Manager. If you've saved your MSN password through your Google account, this is where it will be stored. Now use the search bar or scroll through the saved logins until you find Microsoft.com. MSN accounts are connected through Microsoft, so the saved password will usually appear under Microsoft.com rather than MSN itself. Click on Microsoft.com to open the saved login details. At this point, your computer may ask for your PC passcode, PIN, fingerprint, or another security check to confirm it's really you. This is a normal security step to protect your saved passwords. Enter the required passcode when prompted. After that, you should be able to view the saved password. If the password is hidden, click the eye icon or the reveal option next to it to display the password clearly. And that's it. You've now found the password for your MSN account through Google Password Manager. If you were able to recover it, give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.